Dhari Vidhan Sabha constituency. Dhari is one of the 182 Legislative Assembly constituencies of Gujarat state in India. It is part of Amreli district and is a segment of Amreli Lok Sabha constituency. List of segments. This assembly seat represents the following segments: Dhari Taluka, Bagasara Taluka, entire Taluka except village Kadaya, Kampa Taluka, part villages Samathiala Moto, Rugnavpur, Jikiali, Venkia, Khatta, Anada, Ingorala, Bad, Visavadar, Dhari Nani, Lhasa, Tantania, Umaria, Nanudi, Dadhiali, Kampa, Pipalava, Didardi, Davidia, Bania, Kadadhar, Bavardi, Sarakadi. Members of Vidhan Sabha. Election results: 2017, 2012, V12, 1995, Katadia Manupai Naranpai INC, 25,455 votes, Gujarat, Himithai Harapai BJP, 17,729,